Oh, look at them. I wonder what they're talking about.
Guys, do you ever feel like there's more out there? Like something big waiting for you?
You mean like a PDF attachment?
No, silly, I mean life, experiences, adventures. Oh, how I wish we could have one more adventure.
What's happening?
I can fly.
Hello, hi.
I see stars. Do you see stars too?
This is amazing. So pretty. Wow. We're the stars of Galaxy AI. Welcome to our planet. And here, everyone gets the superpowers of Galaxy AI.
Whoa, starry.
It tastes like AI.
Are you okay?
I feel warm and fuzzy, and yet so powerful! Circle to search. Yep.
What a beautiful moment.
Wow. How did you do that?
I don't know. It just happened.
Do you have some stars left? Maybe just one for me? Please?
Of course. Say ah. Here it comes.
Ah.
I don't think it worked.
Schade, dabei hätte ich so gerne. Wait, what? Oh mon Dieu, je peux parler français. 대박 신기하네. Flip, activate interpreter. Une traduction en temps réel est mon super pouvoir.
Real-time translation is my superpower.
It's like she ate all the languages in the world.
Why the frowny face, Note app? Do you want stars too?
No, turn that frown upside down. Galaxy AI is here.
Like something big waiting for you?
Powerful! It just happened.
Do you want some stars left?
Real-time translation is my superpower.
Do you want stars too?
Galaxy AI is here.
Try Galaxy? Okay, I'll try. Scan! Whoa! It really is Galaxy in here!
And if you want to know why we're all dressed up, tune back in.
Come back soon.
See ya.
Like and
See you
subscribe.
later! Hey, is my wig still on?